Types of traffic signs: regulatory signs, warning signs, guide signs, informational signs. Regulatory signs: no right turn, no right turn, no horn, no horn, no trucks, no trucks, roundabout, roundabout, a speed limit, a speed limit, no left turn, no left turn, no parking, no parking, bicycles only, bicycles only, no stopping, no stopping, no overtaking lorry, no overtaking lorry, no U-turn, no U-turn, no overtaking zone, no overtaking zone, motorcycles only, motorcycles only, no entry, no entry, stop, stop, warning signs: railway crossing, railway crossing, animal crossing, animal crossing, roadwork ahead, roadwork ahead, yield, yield, pedestrian crossing, pedestrian crossing, merge ahead, merge ahead, falling rocks, falling rocks, a steep hill, a steep hill, warning, warning, winter weather ahead, winter weather ahead, speed bumps, speed bumps, road narrows, road narrows, crossroads, crossroads, a slippery when wet, a slippery when wet, guide signs: slow down, slow down, sharp turn, sharp turn, two-way traffic ahead, two-way traffic ahead, hump, hump, divided highway, divided highway, airport ahead, airport ahead, side road, side road, road closed, road closed, curve ahead, curve ahead, traffic signal ahead, traffic signal ahead, dead end, dead end, school bus stop, school bus stop, school zone, school zone, informational signs, hospital ahead, hospital ahead, road name, road name, one way, one way, parking, parking, disabled parking, disabled parking, bicycle lane, bicycle lane, bus stop, bus stop, truck route, truck route, destination, destination,